recording there. You might hear some noise upstairs. That's my teenage son. But hey, I got time to do this video. What I'm gonna do here is some guys drove 2 hours from Madison. They're beginners. I mean, it seems like to me they're beginners. Maybe they've been a couple years, but they haven't been in like 10 years, 20 years. So yeah, anyways, there's some beginners and they're cool. They seem like family. Right now, I did give them the song, but right now what I did is I took everything off that I had on there. Let me take this off too. And then I'm just going to show you kind of how I would do this really quick, not even hours, just maybe really quick, and just can kind of see how I would do this. And now I wanted to start by saying that, yeah, I would find the tempo, which was 97, and I also found the key of the song, which was, I think that's the key of the song, B-flat minor. Yeah, but yep, I would do that. Let me see. I would make sure it was on time, but that's not, I don't want to talk about project stuff. I just kind of want to go through more of like the volumes and stuff. So I did all that, the setup stuff, right? And then also as part of the setup stuff is that I kind of want to get the volumes right, like the volume set. So I got, you know, there's green, yellow, and red. Oh, that's loud. There's green, yellow, and red, like, look like right here. So I'm gonna want the beat only green. See, like around that. That way I got like that room. So like -20. Right, that's a good start. And then I'll use these gains, or lately I've been trying to use that's all. Lately I've been using like this this L3 LL Ultra. I don't know. To me, I feel like I've been trying all the limiters to put on my vocals to just turn them up as a gain, but have a little protection. No, I really don't want to have to smash into this like that, but just a little protection in case those times. So I decided to use this, and it seems to add a black sound. Talking colors to me. So it's not much of a sound. It's black to me. So now I'll just turn up. When I'm turning up the vocals to match with the beat, I guess I'm listening more to the the syllables of the of the person, like the. So I'm gonna listen to that. Like with the hi-hat, I'm just listening to my branch and just like a. So I'm listening to that part, and then if I was to show you, like in my ear, what I'm filtering out, I usually just filter out like the lows. Let me see. See, I'm probably like in my brain, I'm just listening to the music like that when after I turn the beat down, I'm like turning the vocals up with a gain or this limiter I've been using. I don't like the other ones. I like this one though. See, if you listen to it, before it was like this, you can't really hear the vocal. Right here, you can hear the vocal. So we copy and paste that. Okay, now, so let me take that this example
of
what I was listening to. But like I kind of just like listened to that section, I guess. Then after that, this is happening really fast, by the way.
Picking on the gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. Ramming to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting, come without the options. Nigga like a hoe, posting pics at the function. If they speaking on the gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. Ramming to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting, come without the options. Nigga like a hoe, posting pics at the function. Posting pics at the function, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy, touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city, trying to turn nothing to something. Just amigo from the section, trying to make nothing to something.
And then from
if you
there,
fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking diamonds on my chain, this shit is
I will
bussin'.
try to find
I
a
been getting to my
compressor.
fucking bags, this shit disgusting. I don't want
Or
my band, some nigga, I can put
the
my
oven,
pants up.
like
Bitches
I'm
wanna
gonna
fuck me
put
cause
this
I'm
thing
running on
in
my
an
racks
oven.
up. Carrots on my chain, all these
But
bitches
which
got me
oven
handsome. Choppers in the whip, just in case they wanna blend some.
goes
Fucking
good
niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on
in
camera.
this
Wanna hop in
situation?
the whip, she ain't never seen me before. If
So
I throw it, she gon' strip for the dollars on the
got a
floor. Got me
ton of
swerving through these
compressors
lanes,
on the
going crazy off
screen.
the
If you
foe. If
see
a
here,
nigga
there's
want
a
the
ton of
smoke,
them.
I'ma go, I never fold. Bought a
Maybe
Drake
some of
in this
them are the
bitch.
same,
If
but
they wanna
regardless,
act
and some
bold,
are
showing
de-essers,
pipes on the
but
gram,
regardless,
niggas
there's a
got it
ton of
just for
them.
show. If you see me, then it's on
And the
me on the
first
set,
one
I'm
is that
finna blow.
you would want to, or I would want to kind of come to mind would be, I would say like this. Not necessarily this one.
Ramming to the park, bitch, you really
But
do
that
this
black
often. I
one,
can hop into the truck, fitting, come without
'cause,
the
you know,
options. Nigga like a hoe, posting pics at the function. If they speaking on a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments.
this one.
Ramming to the park,
Yeah,
bitch, you really do this often. I can
I
hop into
don't
the truck,
necessarily want to
fitting,
use
come
this one,
without
but
the
this
options.
would probably
Nigga like
be.
a hoe, posting pics at the function. Posting pics at the function, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy, touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city, trying to turn nothing to something.
Oh, what I'm doing is listening for, like I said, like
Just
my last
amigo from the
videos,
section, trying to make nothing to
with the
something.
attack.
If you fuck around
Do I
with me,
want?
bitch, I'll get the bussin'.
Do I want it attacking fast where it's
I've been getting to
smooth,
my fucking bags, this
where
shit
I'm not hearing
disgusting.
like no
I
grit
don't
on the
want my band,
voice,
some
or
nigga, I can put my pants
I
up.
like the grit
Bitches
on the
wanna fuck me
voice
cause I'm
too.
running on my racks up. Carrots on my chain, all these bitches call me handsome. Choppers in the whip, just in case
And
they
then
wanna
so I'm
blend some.
listening.
Fucking niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on camera. She wanna hop in the whip, she ain't never
I
seen me
guess I'm
before.
listening
If I throw it, she gon'
to
strip
the
for the
beat and
dollars
the
on the floor.
hi-hat
Got me
right
swerving
now.
through these lanes, going crazy
Sometimes
off the
clap,
foe. If a nigga want the smoke, I'ma go, I
but
never
it's a
fold.
snap,
Bought a
so
Drake
I
in
don't
this
want.
bitch. If they wanna act bold, showing pipes on the gram, niggas got it just for
I just want
show.
a
If you
little
see me,
bit
then
for
it's on
me.
me on the set, I'm
And
finna
then
blow.
with the release, it's the same thing. Just check.
Pics at the function, trying to get the city
Let's
bustin'.
go real
Niggas say little
quick.
pussy, touch a Glock and
Sometimes
get
I
a
like to just
button.
go
Just
real quick
amigo
and
from the
just
city,
feel. I
trying to
just
turn nothing to
had
something.
a feeling that good here is good.
Just amigo from the section, trying to make nothing to something.
Just felt
If you
good,
fuck
so I'm gonna
around
go
with me,
around
bitch,
here.
I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking diamonds on my chain, this shit is bussin'.
I'll
I
go
been
there.
getting to my
Feels good.
fucking bags, this shit disgusting. I don't want my band, some nigga, I can put my pants up. Bitches wanna fuck me cause I'm running on my racks up. Carrots on my chain, all these bitches call me handsome. Choppers in the whip, just in case they wanna blend some. Fucking niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on camera. She wanna hop in the whip, she ain't never seen me before. If I throw it, she gon' strip
See,
for the
now the
dollars on the floor.
reason
Got me swerving through these lanes,
I
going
started
crazy
with
off the
those
foe. If a nigga want the
consonant
smoke, I'ma
things
go, I
up
never
high
fold.
because
Bought a Drake in this
this
bitch. If they
compressor
wanna
seems
act
to
bold,
like
showing pipes on the gram, niggas
still
got
let
it
that
just for
shit
show. If you see me, then it's on me on the set,
slide
I'm
through,
finna blow.
you know, because it's kind of low. So at least that's still not louder than the beat when it slides through. Kind of get my drift what I'm saying about the consonants. Like to put the
Niggas say little pussy, touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city, trying to turn nothing to something.
So now at this point, we can keep this one if you
Just
want.
amigo from the section, trying to make nothing to something.
Let's
if
say
you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get
that's
the
not the
bussin'.
sound you're looking
On
for.
my chain, this shit is bussin'. I've been getting to my fucking bags, this shit disgusting.
The next one you could probably want to use is
bitches wanna fuck me cause I'm running on my racks up. Carrots on my chain, all these bitches call me handsome.
You know, the LA2A
just
or
in
the
case they wanna blend some.
or
Fucking niggas,
RComp.
bitches, I be fucking them on camera. She wanna hop in the
Let's
whip,
try
she
the
ain't never
RComp.
seen before. If I throw it, she
The
gon' strip
RComp, I'll
for the
just
dollars on the
slam
floor.
it all
Got me
the way
swerving through these lanes, going crazy off
just
the
to see
floor.
how
If
it
a nigga want the
sounds,
smoke, I never.
and then come up off it.
They wanna act bold, showing pipes on the gram, niggas got it just for show. If you see me, then it's on me on the
I think is that the kind of ovens, the burnt, that the crisp, you know, the crust, when you know when you cook the cake, the glaziness sound is gonna be on it, because it's not gonna be full like that. But I'm looking for if that matches the beat. before I start messing with it. I kind of like it. I wasn't expecting to like it. Maybe we can mess with the flavors. Smooth is kind of interesting too. The worm is cool though. So where it was cool. You know, and if we were, then we could keep that and just mess with it. Again, I just kind of go like this and get a feel. I feel like there's good. I feel like there's good. Just feel it. And then, I don't know, now we're gonna feel what? Feel this? Let's see how that feels.
To the truck, fit ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking out a gang of 100 shots at their apartments. To the park,
feels good there. It already kind of felt good, right? And then 33, plus we got undo. Let's see how that feels.
Trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say the pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
You know what?
Ran to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the funks, posting pics at the funks, trying to get the city bustin'.
Actually, a little more, right? I've never messed with this mix now.
Amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
I'll just leave it like that. So we can go with that, or we can go listen to the other one. See the difference? Totally different, and I've made both. So let's go to a third one. I would also try like
just amigo from the section trying to make nothing to something. If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bustin'.
But I'm trying to just go with
this shit is bustin'. I've been getting to my fucking
something with
shit
sound.
I don't run my band, some nigga, I can put my pants up. Bitches
you know,
wanna
people
fuck
like
me
the
cause I'm
RVox.
running on my racks up. Carrots
I don't know
on
how
my
to use
chain,
the
all these
RVox,
bitches
but
call me
I use it
handsome.
like this.
Choppers in the whip, just in case I wanna blast some. Fucking niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on camera.
I just grab
in
both.
The whip, she ain't never seen before. If I throw it,
Cause that way it's kind of the same volume all the time.
Going crazy off a foe. If a nigga want to smoke, I'ma go
I have to take
bought a
this.
Drake in his bitch. If they wanna act bold, showing pipes on the gram, niggas got it just for show. If you see me, then it's on me. I'm set on from the blow.
Yeah.
Hello.
You got some time tonight, Tito?
Yeah.
Like probably 11 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. That's for the 11 o'clock. But let's go back to this RVox while I'm rocking this 11. So, I mean, that's how I would use it. I don't know if that's how you use it. And if you guys want to leave in the comment box how you use that, let me know. Because I'm not really familiar with this. But that's how I use it. Maybe even try this. You know, I don't know if that's how you use it. Because then after that, I would say that was my starting point and then move from there, up or down. Okay, CC. Okay, there goes the third one. Or try something different. They all sound different. Or the LA2.
From the section trying to make nothing to something.
See,
if you fuck
this
around
one,
with me, bitch, I'll get the
Speaking on a gang, 100 shots,
the
they
waves.
apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fit and come without the options. Nigga like a hoe post.
And that would just be like where I would stop. I just go for what feels good. I barely would touch this. Let's see if I do.
I can hop into the truck, fit and come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the funks.
I'm just kind of I'm just listening to like how I'm turning the down and how it might sound if I use what I'm using. Let's go through them now.
Come without the options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the functions. They speaking out a gang of 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions. Trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
Okay.
Just amigo from the section trying to make nothing to something. If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking diamonds on my chain, this shit is bussin'. I've been getting to my fucking bags, this shit is
I'm not gonna skip this one because this one, I like this one. This one to me works good.
I'm running on my racks up. Carrots on my chain,
this one has a lot. It's like a
choppers in the whip,
has a
just
lot
in
of
case
saturation.
Speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck if it ain't come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
Again, that's the sound I'm going for when I move this threshold.
If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking
And
diamonds on my chain.
the thing is, that's the sound I'm trying to end up at, but by using other pieces to get to do little bits of reduction so that this one doesn't have to push that hard at the end, or whichever one I choose. But that's gonna still be the sound, so I don't want to change the sound.
If they wanna act bold, showing pipes on the gram, niggas got it just for show. If you see me, then it's on me on the set on from the blow.
You know, it could go on. So right? Could we even try a limiter? No, we could. Never actually try it. Let's try like an L2. I've never tried it.
To the truck, fitting come without options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang of 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. It ain't come without the options.
I don't like that
nigga
sound.
Like a hoe posting pics
no
at the functions. Posting pics at the functions, trying to get the city bustin'. Nigga say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
I don't care what nobody says. So
just amigo from the section trying to make nothing to something.
Let's see what this 3A sounds like. I bought it, but I don't really use it. Let's see if it actually has some good tones for me. This thing sounds like a Harley Davidson motorcycle. You don't hear that?
They speaking on a gang of 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. It ain't come without the options.
These things have they sound like different vacuum cleaners when you turn them on.
Trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
Just amigo from the section trying to make nothing to something.
I'm sorry, man.
Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang of 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
Just amigo from the section.
Speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments.
Let's go with
Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often.
So let's go for another one.
Fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments. Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. Fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
The power of the voices, or power of anything.
Speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang, 100 shots at their apartments.
It kind of doesn't add too much of like a vacuum cleaner sound. So let's hit it hard. Let's see what it sounds like.
Like a hoe posting pics at the functions. Posting pics at the functions, trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas say little pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
More of a FM radio sound.
Really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting come without the options. Nigga like a hoe posting pics at the functions. They speaking on a gang of 100 shots.
See, I would want to eat it. Eat it right there. So I would have to eat it right there. right? So then I have to mess with this.
Trying to get the city bustin'. Them niggas hella pussy, touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn nothing into something.
I would go with that one.
Just amigo from the section,
And let's see what this
really
release.
something. If you fuck around with me, bitch, I'll get the bussin'. Hella fucking diamonds on my chain, this shit is bussin'. I've been getting to my fucking.
See, this is like no flavor. Take the flavor out. Less salt. More salt. Salt with a little pepper, right? With the bass going boom, boom, boom. You might want some pepper and salt. I don't want the whole salt and pepper, so I'm gonna go back off with the 3. I don't know if this will help. I rarely mess with this. I'm gonna leave it there. I believe you'd want to set this first and then go to the threshold, and then that way. This should have been first between this and this. But yeah, that's how that one would sound. This one, so I might have to turn it up, right? Just a little bit, just to get that top end that I talked about in the beginning, like the 4K, 8K and up to match a little better. So that's one more. Let's go through them again. Let's see, we got the 1176. We're getting like a
Picking on a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fit and come without options.
like a,
Nigga like a
it's a strong, like, it's a strong motor, but it's like RCompressor.
Nigga like a whole posting pics at the funks, posting pics at the funks, trying to get the city.
This is smoother.
Pussy touch a Glock and get a button, just amigo from the city, trying to turn up the
RVox sounds. Now I know why they said the RVox sounds pretty good, because it does now that I hear it compared to the RCompressor. The RVox sounds more mid-rangey.
I've been getting to my fucking bags, this shit disgusting.
The LA2A sounds more like when you press the loudness button, give you the smiley face sound to me. Even though I have more LA2As, we could try the UAD version.
Fucking niggas, bitches, I be fucking them on camera. When I hop in the whip, she ain't never seen before. If I throw it, she gon' strip for the dollars on the floor. Got me soaring through these lanes, going crazy, I be forward. If a nigga want the smoke, I'ma go, I never fold. Bought a Drake and his bitch, if they wanna act bold. Showing pipes on the gram, niggas got it just for show. If you see me, then it's on me on the set, I'm finna blow.
This Fairchild, Pre-Child one, I got a UAD one too, I wish I could compare them. This one sounds like a little bit of a lot of harmonics. It sounds like rich. I think like opera sounding stuff. Now it depends if you want to, it goes with that beat. You gotta sit beat. This L2 is a horrible idea. No limiting. LA3A was pretty good. It's like a Harley Davidson, I said, right?
Picking on a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck, fitting, come without options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the function. They speaking on a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments.
Like I said, it's just like a voltage controller.
I can hop into the truck, fitting, come without options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the function.
So there you go. That's how I would use this stuff.
Niggas say the pussy touch a Glock and get a button. Just amigo from the city trying to turn up into
something. It's more about me picking a flavor. So let's see. I would probably pick out of these.
Come without options. Nigga like a whole posting pics at the function. If they speaking out a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck.
RVox, I don't even like RVox, and today I might have to shut my mouth on that. Not the CLA2A, no. This ain't for that today. This is not for that. This is LA3A.
Not a gang, 100 shots, stay apartments. From Raymond to the park, bitch, you really do this often. I can hop into the truck. If it ain't come without a
he sounds good on his
nigga
voice,
like
though.
a whole posting pics at the funks, posting pics at the funks, trying to get the city busting. Them niggas say the pussy touch a Glock and get a
SSL doesn't sound bad either.
Trying to turn up into something.
So I guess I would use the RVox on this one. So by choosing that, I guess I'd get rid of this. I'm gonna keep the SSL up there because
I don't run my bands, some
I
nigga,
might
I
want
can
to
put
use
my
that
pants up.
too
Bitches
in
wanna fuck me 'cause
conjunction.
I'm running on my racks
So like I said, I get the RVox going, I put it like in the middle end,
just in case I wanna blast
and then now
niggas bitches, I be fucking them on
I
camera. When I hop in the
freaking
whip, she ain't never seen before. If I
can
throw it, she gon'
either
strip
go
for
at the
dollars on the
end,
flow. Got me swerving through these lanes, going crazy off a foe. If a nigga want the
or
smoke, I'ma
I
go, I never
wouldn't really
fold.
go at
Bought
the
a
end, I'm not
Drake in
gonna
this
lie. So I'm
bitch
gonna
if
go
they
in the
wanna act
beginning, and
bold.
then I'd
Showing
have to
pipes on the
pick
gram, niggas got it just for show. If you see me,
my
then it's
EQ.